Good morning, everyone. This is birds nest and so beautiful trees. They're making magic. So I just taking video. See, this is the second time. Last time I saw this cat.
But anyway, I will.
Secondly, the baby, birds baby. You can see, guys, I already have the dates that I took video clip. Yeah, so this is 26th January 2004. The baby the first is later only one I don't know.
So beautiful.
But later only one baby. You can see next week, next day. Still doing. Thank you for watching, guys. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for next video. Press the bell notification. So now, January
So beautiful.
only one. One is lost. I don't know. When my mother moved to Afghanistan, I don't think so. Mother cannot carry.
So beautiful.
This is February. Cute. Almost 3 weeks growing up. This is yeah, you can say 15 to almost 3 weeks. This is 3rd January 2024.
So beautiful.
Almost ready to fly. Wing is come out. 4th January 2024. You can see 4 to 5, 6. I take a wing. I take video. Short video. This is 5. 5th.
So
January
Beautiful.
2024. See, 5 and 6. It's almost flying. This is 7 actually. Yeah, 7. 6, 7 and 7, 7. Then fly to another place.
No more birds.
Mother already
Family here, no more birds.
Take
Family, all has gone.
out of from this jungle, this place. So